about not getting on the car enough. So we're gonna get on it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for pressing play. Today we are putting together a little bit of an impromptu car show. Since my subscriber Mike let me take his C8 Corvette Z06, we're gonna try to get together a couple of the Corvettes down here in the Hollywood, Florida area and hit up a local show. So it's gonna be a little bit of a smaller Vet Syndicate Corvette takeover kind of thing. So let's see what kind of cars we got here so far. Right, there's a C7 rolling in, guys. Looks like a Z07 package convertible. Of course, we got Mike's C8 Corvette Z06 here. We got the C7 Corvette, again, with the Z07 kit, but the ZR1 replica wheels. So we got a couple cars here already. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, so we'll see what ends up showing up here. We also got an Infinity over there that's gonna come rolling with us. Of course, we're doing this in style. It doesn't always have to be all Corvettes, but it definitely helps. Yeah, that sounds good. So like I said, guys, this is a 2017 C7 Corvette. It's that guy's right there. His name is Angel. He's a subscriber. This is a 2016 that just rolled in. And then, of course, we got another C8 Corvette rolling in. Looks like it has the Z07 replica wheels. Very nice. Oh, he wants to come right here. Yeah, look at that. The MRR replica Z07 wheels looking real good on this C8. Looks like he's got some radiator grill guards in there. The 5VM kit looking great. So guys, we got a couple vets here so far. We're gonna roll out here in about half an hour and I get to drive that baby. Yeah. Got another C7, a Stingray. Very nice. We just saw a C8 with a Segala wing go by. I'm sure he's coming in. So here comes Mike with his C8 Corvette. He's got the Segala wing, it looks like, though. We've seen him on the channel before. He's actually the ones that makes the clear covers for the convertible C8 Corvettes. He was the one that we had install one on a car right here in our shop. Pretty cool wheels. Looks like two-piece wheels. What's up, Mike? Is this Long Beach or Red Mist?
It's Red Mist.
It is Red Mist. Okay, it looks almost like Long Beach Red in the shadow. Yeah. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. How you been?
Been good.
I drove right by your place.
I saw you.
I think mine is
Long Beach Red.
Oh, here's the guy. Here's the man of the hour. That's Silver Fox, guys. That's the car that I drove down to the Keys not too long ago. Again, another Segala wing. So we got a bunch of Z07s here, and the real Z06 isn't a Z07. But yeah, so this is Red Mist, and his over there being a C7, that is Long Beach Red. There is actually a lot less of a difference than I remember. So that's Red Mist. That's Long Beach. I remember it being massively different. So yeah, sometimes your memory, it gets you. But yeah, guys, the Silver Fox, his name's Ty, has the older shadow gray on this car, and one of the nicest colors. I didn't actually like it whenever it came out, but now that you can't get it, I really like it. It's one of those things. He's got a real nice setup with stance wheels, real big front splitter that he bought on eBay, and it actually looks really good though. All right, guys, so here we go. Some of you got on me about not getting on the car enough, so we're gonna get on it. And we're coming up to Silver Fox. He has the shadow gray C8 Corvette. We gotta get this thing in sport mode. What are we doing? What are we doing? There it is. Lots of traffic in Florida here today, guys. So we're gonna see a lot of beautiful sights like that. Some beautiful car driving. We have at least one guy who is a subscriber of the channel. He actually came to the shop early on and got some tint on his Infinity. I think it's a Q35, I believe. But awesome dude. So I told him, yep, bring the car. It doesn't matter if it's a Corvette. Even though this is my mini Corvette takeover with the Vet Syndicate group, it's whatever. You know, I know car guys are car guys. It doesn't. I don't draw any lines when it comes to car guys. We all do the same thing. Heck yeah, guys. Corvettes everywhere. Look at that thing. Yes. Love Corvette shows. Since I was given the go-ahead by the owner to rev this thing for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and rev this thing for you guys. There you go. That's how the Z06 sounds getting revved. And then, of course, we got the guy in the traffic light taking some photos for us. That's how you know you're in some awesome cars, guys. Love it. We have arrived. All of the Corvettes that were coming with us are all in a line here, showing up. Like I said, this was just kind of a 2-day thing, so I didn't expect a whole lot of them, but we got a bunch of C8s. There's mostly C8s and then 3 C7s. Pretty cool. Nonetheless, I mean, that thing's an absolute beast. What a fun car to drive. What an absolute blast. I cannot freaking wait to get one of my own. Mike, again, gigantic thank you so much for letting me drive this thing. You've made a little boy's wish come true. Hey, there's another Amplify Orange. How about that? I'm not the only one. Well, it's not a Z06, but you know what I mean. So for those of you guys wondering what my car is going to look like when I get it, this is it. Stealth wrapped, black, and it looks freaking good. A little bit of the touch of the red on the interior. I might just do red stitching, but it's going to ultimately look very similar to that. Freaking menacing. Look at that. Absolutely menacing.
What's up, gentlemen?
Yeah, guys, like I said, absolutely phenomenal, man. This makes me want my car now. Like I said, guys, for those of you wondering, I might be getting some good news this month. So if you're anxious for me to get one of these, stay tuned. It could be coming very soon. So, but yeah, guys. Oh, God. You guys know how I feel about Stealth. And that thing looks exactly like how I would want it to look. You still making the engine covers?
Yeah, more than ever now.
Yeah.
I'm making front covers now.
Oh, you make these too?
And trunk covers for the coupe. That looks great.
Nice, that does look good. Good for you. Yeah, I noticed I had a subscriber in Texas. I flew down to Texas for a car show. I had a subscriber there. He says, come here. I go over, he pops up his rear hatch. He's like, I bought that because of your video. So he bought it from you, from the video we made that day. Now that looks good. So you make these, how much are these?
Those, it depends. I mean, on eBay, they're $270. Local guys, you know, $200.
And you custom paint them and everything to match?
Any color.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, it looks very nice. So that and the rear hatch area where, you know, GM's kind of doing something like this now, but this still looks more customized. So if you're into something like this, go to that website and you can actually buy them straight from him. And he does a really good job. I mean, you can see that's all paint matched. The car is really, really cool looking. So yeah, always interesting to see the custom mods on these cars. So looks like he probably did that one too. Mike, did you do this one too? Yeah. All right, so did both of those. So you can get pretty much whatever you want on there. If I wanted like a big horsepower obsessed logo, you could do that.
Oh yeah.
Nice. right, guys, so we had a little bit of fun, but we're heading back to the shop now to wrap this video up. A little bit of a car show, like I said, nothing crazy, but it was a little bit of an impromptu show. Didn't really have a lot of time. I didn't know that I was going to be gifted a freaking Z06 for a couple days. So that's Nate on his motorcycle, like an absolute madman in Florida. He's the guy who runs the shop down here. So if you guys are interested in having any paint protection film, interior ceramic coating, which we're going to be doing here for Mike's car in a second, anything like that, stop by the shop, mention Horsepower Obsessed, and save 10% on any work you get done. But I'll catch up with you guys in 1 second. All right, guys, so here we are back at the shop. We made record time from the car show back here. I'm not going to tell you how that happened, just maybe there was no traffic. We'll lead with that. But either way, you can see all these cars behind me. We got a C7 Corvette Z07 with convertible. We got the C8 Z06, the C8 Z06, but that one in the middle, man, you're going to be seeing a lot of that on this channel, and it's not even going to be his car. It's going to be my car. It's going to look just freaking like that. But car show was pretty cool overall. A little bit small, like I said, but it was kind of an impromptu thing. It wasn't something we planned. Literally had like a day and a half, maybe 2 days into it. Turned out pretty cool. So in the future, guys, stay tuned for car shows coming that are going to be happening here in the Hollywood, Florida area, as well as Pennsylvania, and the guys over in Texas throwing the Vet Syndicate shows. This was, we'll call it a Corvette takeover, but in reality, it wasn't really. I guess there technically was more Corvettes there than anything, so it works. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. So if you liked these beautiful, beautiful freaking machines, smash that thumbs up button. Let me know you're liking it. Big thank you to Mike again for letting us drive the car. We got to drive it a little bit more today, and it was just an absolute beast. Of course, they are fabulous cars, and then you get this thing looking all stealth and menacing. Oh, I love it. And then even the C7, I mean, you guys know how I feel about the C7 platform. Still possibly my favorite Corvette, but this thing is getting very close. Anyway, guys, if you're in the area, like I said, check out Blackout Tinting Miami. Drop the Horsepower Obsessed name, save 10% on any work you're getting done, and make your cars look this freaking good. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do. We're gonna have loads of Corvette content like this coming. You are not gonna wanna miss. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload.